Our customer wants to know, can we make this MS33514 porting tool without a pilot? It would be a modification. What do you think, Jonathan? Can you do it? So our next question is also about a porting tool. This one specifically is the MS33514. The MS stands for military standard, of course.
Yep.
Also a -8, a popular size. This person's cutting aluminum, but they want to know if you can take off the pilot, completely off.
Yep.
But it still needs to have the 15-degree angle at the bottom with a minimum of 15 thou clearance. The 15-degree part, it can meet at a point or a flat at your discretion. So my question to you is, can you make it and will it work?
Yeah, we can make it. When you go to remove the pilot, you can remove it mostly. That form looks something like this. You come down the spot face, down that angle, straight across, and then you go into radius, down into the inverted angle, radius back out, and then you have your pilot right here. And then center line here. I'm not going to draw the other side.
Yeah.
When you go to remove it, you're only going to get so close. You're going to remove it down to right here in front of that angle. I don't want to risk damaging the form of the tool. And maybe that's the within 15 thousandths that he's talking about, is just getting it really close. And that is very possible. And the tool should function just like it would otherwise. That's typically a modification where we would do a 2-piece minimum. Something like that would be a few days, maybe a week turnaround. Not a problem.
Do you think that they would be doing this a similar situation as when we talked about the Pilotless port tool, where it's a variable depth, or why do you think they would need something like this?
It could be that they're doing a non-standard thread in it. That could be one application. These are almost always used for fittings where it has a external thread that it uses, and then when you mate the parts together, you're tightening the external thread, but it's pulling it into the seat on the inside. But it could be that there's some other feature that they're doing extra shallow, or something else is in the way probably.
It's cool to always think about all of the different things that it could be used for.
Yeah.
And you never know. You think you make a tool and you make a part, but then there's all these variations you can do. Do you have any porting challenges? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. Who knows, maybe you'll make it into the next episode. And bring us your most challenging porting or thread milling problems in Chicago next month at IMTS. We'll be there the whole week to workshop your problems. Booth number is 432-414 in the West Hall. See you there.